Social cohesion explains the forces that keep people united despite their differences, enabling communities to work together, build trust, and pursue shared goals. It is a key concept that promotes trust, inclusion, and a shared sense of belonging within society. In this special report, our correspondent Lara Bamore tells us more.
Social cohesion is not about eliminating differences. It is about ensuring that diversity does not become a source of division. When people feel connected to one another and to the institutions that serve them, societies are stronger and more stable.
The lack of social cohesion is the reason why the country is experiencing the myriads of challenges it's experiencing today. So whether you want to talk about insecurity, you want to talk about poverty, you want to talk about inadequate health systems or weak education systems, these are all symptoms of the lack of social cohesion.
The presence or absence of social cohesion can influence how people relate with one another, while understanding and inclusion can strengthen social bonds. Stereotypes, mistrust, and competing interests can create divisions within society.
Social cohesion will change the narrative. It will change the way we think. It will change the way we tell our stories. It will change the way we don't tell our stories. It will reduce stereotypes. It will reduce complications with assumptions that certain, group of people are behaving in a particular way because of certain influences.
There are lots of agendas. There are undertones of agendas. There are political agendas, there are individual agendas, there are also religious agendas. So most times the people that are being empowered or sponsored to do those acts that further create the divide are not really aware of the agenda they are pushing.
Social cohesion also means ensuring that everyone feels included and has equal opportunities, regardless of religion, ethnicity, gender, or disability.
People are not interested in coming out, then that tells you that, things are not as socially cohesive as they should be. So different indicators like that, gender equality, for example, how much opportunities do we give to the women in the societies? Inclusion, how much opportunities do we give to people with disability? Do we have equal opportunities for everyone in spite of their religion, their tribe, their, ethnicity and all of that? And these are the issues of cohesion. And we've been championing this for, since 2019.
Getting to the season of election, and it seems like this period is when our heads are being hit together, either as a result of religion, tribe, or region. And it usually happens towards this season. Then you begin to segregate. I will do this, I won't do this one, I won't do the other one. But then this cohesion more like calls our conscience back that Nigeria is one country, regardless of where you come from. We must learn to put aside that ethnic divide, religious bigotry, and regional sentiment.
In a diverse society, social cohesion is not about being the same. It is about finding common ground, strengthening trust, and creating a sense of belonging for all. Lara Bamore, ADBN News.
You're watching ADB News. The 7th Day would also bring you more stories on the foreign scene and sport decks.